Hey, it's Jeff here with Christmas Lights by Design. And if you'd like to earn some extra money, or you'd like to learn how to install Christmas lights, or even how to add Christmas lighting services to your existing business, I want to invite you to join me in my Christmas Lights for Profit training, where I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to install, design, and sell Christmas lights for money. And if you're worried if this is something that you can easily learn, please know that I started my Christmas lighting business over 23 years ago with no experience at all. And since then, I've installed and managed over 2,000 installations. And with that, I'm going to be passing on everything that I know about Christmas lighting, so you won't have to worry or guess about what lights to use, what type of equipment you need, or even how to get customers. And when you sign up for the course today, you're going to get lifetime access to over 55 training videos, fully editable contract forms, estimate forms, business card and flyer templates, as well as a complete set of swipe files. So to find out more and start the course today, click the link below. I'll see you there.